Hello and welcome. This is a part of the 80 chain or an 80 set, just like on the OSCP exam. We're going to show how to use Ligolo. A lot of you have been requesting how to use Ligolo, so I'm essentially going to show you in this video. Really hope that you enjoy. If you want to check out the chains yourself, you can check out chain 1 down below completely for free, so you can play around with an active directory set just like on the OSCP exam. I really hope you find this video valuable. Please enjoy. Then we can connect already back to our connect or CompTIA IP and then the port 11,601, and then we want to ignore cert as well. We do that. We now will get an agent. There we go. Then we run session. Then we specify session 1. And we already have this this interface main. But yeah, after you essentially specify session, let me just delete it so I can show you again. So I can just delete it real quick with ifdel name Ligolo, like so. And then yes, I want to delete everything. If I run iflist again, we can see that we don't have Ligolo. So interface create, name Ligolo. That's what we want to do. We list it again. We have this. Now we want to essentially add the route, add route. So we run, let's see, ifconfig. And then we take a look at the IP address that essentially or the range that we don't have access to, right? So we don't have access to this. We want to change 7 for 0. And then we essentially just want to add that to the route. So if I run iflist, we see that we have added nothing. And then we add the route like so. The name of the interface is Ligolo, and the route is going to be this, but replace it with 0 like so. Now we have created a route. I cannot reach it because I haven't started it, right? If I start it now, I should be able to reach it just like this. So I really hope that was helpful.